this past week as new listings to market declined and new contracts were off. It's Friday, October 27th, 2023, and this is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Annapolis inventory fell this week to 148 properties. 14 homes are coming soon to the market. 22 homes hit the market over the past week. 14 went under contract since last week. 13 moved to pending. 21 homes sold at 100% and in 8 days. The highest price home to sell over the past week was in downtown Annapolis on Compromise Street for $3 million. Rentals in Annapolis are at 43 for rent at a median $2,800 per month and leasing in just 14 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 27th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend and any Halloween plans you may have. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.